You will arrive at your destination at 8:23 a.m.
Hello guys, today is Wednesday, it's about 6:30 and I was thinking to vlog this day because I have 3 deliveries. One is in Chesterfield, second in Sheffield, and the last one, which I really want to show you and I will try to film as much as I can, it's in Doncaster at Amazon Doncaster. That one will be interesting. This morning I just had to take a small detour and go back home to get my GoPro camera because I forgot it. From all the days, today was the day I forgot it, and I really wanted to film it, so I had to go home and take it. Today I will be driving this new Renault truck T480 because this week I cover someone who's on holiday. This is not my unit. Actually, none of them are my units because I'm an agency driver, so I drive all kind of different units. Depends who's on holiday, who is not in the mood to work. The good part is that I get to drive all kind of different units, different brands, models, years, everything. The bad part is that none of them is mine, and I'll just have to, every day I have to take all my stuff out and bring it back next day and so on. It looks like the weather will be nice today. Still cold, especially in the morning. I think today were like 2-3 degrees. It's freezing, but later on it will get better. It reads the signs on the road, so it automatically adjusts the speed limit. Like if you go on a section where are road works, the truck will know. 1 hour 45 to destination, to first drop. You can see this light, it's the proximity sensor. It warns me that it's someone on my right side, which of course I can see. But it's very handy when you have a car on the left side, because sometimes they may stay in the blind spot, like now. Here we get on M60, which is Manchester's ring road, if you want, for those who don't know. All these cars on the left should go on that road. I will stop at my favorite place to get a coffee. I don't know, should I leave it here and go grab a coffee? Or I can pull there. Yeah, I'll just leave it here. I got a coffee. I'm ready to go. So good. Eventually someone will let us go. And we're on. I choose to go over Woodhead because it's 20 miles shorter compared with the M62 route, and it's same travel time, but obviously on motorway it's a bit more relaxing than here, but here is more fun. That's tight, just enough space to squeeze through. I'm getting close now. I'm just 9 minutes away, so it's around the corner. On the way back I think I will stop at this service to take a 15 minutes break, obviously on that side. Here it is, Chesterfield. Slow, 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 slow. We go left here, no lights, so we just have to see a right moment to get. We use this one as a shield. I don't think I've been to this place before. Doesn't look familiar. I have a red light. Just have to go right here. Quite narrow road. And I don't want to hit the branches too. I don't want to scratch the unit. Yep, it's here. First on the left. Or the right. However, we just need to turn left here. 30 miles an hour. This looks more like a village. We just have to go left here. That's interesting. Oh, should be on our left side. I just have to see when I get there. Let's see how it's called. Yeah, first time here. Oh man. Horrible. Yeah, I guess it's this one here. Should be. I have to get it off the road. Yeah, it's this one. I wait, maybe I get a window to get a bit out and then reverse it in better. Yeah, should be now. Like this. Something like that I want. Much better now. Not so bad after all. Yeah, I'll go and see them, see what they say, make the drop, and I'll see you later. The problem is that I spilled my coffee. Have to clean a bit of mess. Luckily I have some wet tissues. Yeah, the guy, he's unloading me now. Alright, let's just spray a bit. Don't want this milk to dry in here. It was quick and easy. It's only 10 miles away. Just have to go back north on M1. Yeah. Half an hour. Not bad. We'll be there at 9:20. Sometimes if the door is not closed, you can't put off the handbrake. Oh! I have that guy there. From here I'll just have to go ahead. I can't turn around. Maybe I could, but it's no point and I don't want to stretch the cables, so I'll just go ahead. This way we can also see more of this village. As I said, it's first time when I'm here, so. But yeah, just go right here, then probably right again, and we're out. As long as we don't have any low bridge. Go, I can't turn if you stay there. I need space. That's tight. Made it. These guys are waiting for us, very kind. What can I do? No one is coming. Beautiful. And we just go right here. Have to go very wide. Yeah, as you can see, we didn't mount the curb. And we are almost out. If you retire, if you want to live a peaceful life, this is the kind of place. Of course it can be better, but I guess that's the way we came. I don't even remember. Doesn't matter. It says tire pressure system malfunction. It's fine. It doesn't mean we have a flat tire, it just says that the tire pressure sensor doesn't work how it should. Might be something just temporary. Should stop for a 15 minutes break. Now that I've done the second delivery, I'm ready to move to last one, the most important, Amazon. See what's there. Now it's what time is it? It's 22 past 10. I will be there about 11 o'clock, but I'm not booked until 12. So I'm not sure if I've been in this place, but usually they have a parking outside where you can park and you just have to wait for your booking time. They won't take you earlier. No chance. Obviously, once I'm there, I will take you through all the process step by step. For those who never been, or if you're just curious how delivery to Amazon works. Okay, I will see you soon as I get there. I have in front of me an Amazon truck. I'll just follow it. It goes same place for sure. I don't know why I went this way. Clearly it's not where I should go. Luckily we have a lot of space to turn around. Should be somewhere on that side there. I'll find it eventually. What is here? It's not Amazon. I saw that guy going this way, so HGV access. Okay. LBA for HGV access. Let's go this way. Truck entrance. Yeah. I don't know, I'll just go that way and see if they say anything is not the right one. I'll just go back. Oh man, I'm here and I'm early. Not even sure they will take me, I don't know. I will see. I'll just put the camera on the headboard. This way might get unnoticed. made a delivery. Next step, it's I finished basically. Next step is to call the office, see if they have any collection for me, and just head back. Just need to build some air. Okay, ready to move. Maybe they will have to check inside.
While we're connecting you with an agent.
Hi.
Give me a second.
Okay.
Are you empty or multi-drop?
Empty.
Okay.
Okay.
You're good to go. Have a good day.
All right. Thank you. You too.